And basically, just the math, if I was a 9 to 5, 40-hour week, that would have been, below minimum wage at $12.12. How's it going? It's Rocky. Welcome to week number 11 of what I like to call my 5 to 9 after the 9 to 5. So it's going to be short and sweet this week. If you can't tell from my voice, I've been, I had a rough week of bit of a cold, borderline of flu this week. I did take my COVID test and thankfully I am negative. But pretty much, had a business trip in the beginning of the week and I pretty much caught something and I've pretty much been on bed most of the week. And that's one of the reasons why, if we look at this hourly chart right here, I pretty much have just one trade that I did. And with this one trade, happy to say that, came out with a net profit of $484.94. The thing about this trade though is, if you look at this white line, that was my average of 32,753. And if you can see on that Tuesday, pretty much, the Dow Jones Industrial Average went up another maybe, let's look at that, 32,753 to about 33,510. So about 700 points or so. And then that momentum continued on Wednesday, on Thursday, and again on Friday. So I guess what I'm trying to say here is I missed out on a lot, but that's okay, because what I always try to preach to myself is it doesn't matter what happens before or after you traded. All that matters is what happens within that time frame that you did enter and exit a trade. So this is our account statement. No trade analysis this week. I'm pretty much trying to save my voice a little bit here. It's currently March 18th, about 11:08 in the evening. And the account statement that we're showing here goes from essentially the Sunday the 13th to today, the 18th. And if we look at our account statement, you can see that just that one trade that I did in the beginning, that netted us a $484.94, and you can see no deposits or withdrawal from the week. So we'll put our calculator back here, and our ending cash was $26,003.67. And then subtract that by our starting cash of $25,518.73. And that gave us our net of $484.94 for the week. And basically, just the math, if I was a 9 to 5, 40-hour week, that would have been, below minimum wage at $12.12. But again, think about it. This is just one trade, so I'm okay with that. And basically, our percentage here, 484.94 divided by what we started with of 25,518. Let's do that again. 25,518. That's 73. Multiply that by 100. So for this week, it's a decent 1.9%. I'm happy with that. Pretty much, like what I said, I was sick most of the week, and I still am really. Wasn't able only to trade once, but it was actually a week anyway that was good to avoid the market because of the volatility of quadruple witching, basically the Feds raising the rates, and a lot of volatility that was occurring there. So I'm happy to again be green this week. Not a lot to share, just wanted to share my progress here. Please check out the link above. I did pretty much share my strategy on what I use when I'm trading. It's on the description, but it's a little different when you're reading it and actually explaining what's going on, so please do check that out. Anyway, hopefully you like my nice and quick content this week. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you didn't like what you see, give me another chance, and hopefully on your next one you'll like what you see. All right, have a good one.